In this tutorial, I will show you how to move your flag elements between layers in our custom flag editor. Layers allow you to adjust which elements are on top of one another. This is a useful tool if you're trying to create a specific design where words or images overlap. To start, you must first select the element you want to move. Then, you hover over this tab right here. As you can see, you get the option of sending an element forward or backward. These options bring your selection to the top layer or the very bottom layer. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to move the bear to the back just to show you what I mean. As you can see, the bear is now behind the words instead of on top. This can be done with any of the elements on your flag. Consider every element its own layer. If you have multiple elements, you might have to do this step more than once to different parts of your flag to achieve the final look you're going for. To learn about duplicating and flipping a layer, continue to the next tutorial found in the description.